Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be testing out the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Bundle Volume 2. As you gorgeous people know, this is about the product, not the people behind it. Any tip you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So I'm not gonna lie, I may have taken a little sneaky peeky at these. Typically I don't, but much like my sexuality in my college days, I was very curious. And honestly, I'm very excited that I did take a look at these because I thought they were just gonna be boring ass nudes, but there's browns in there and I love the shit out of brown lipstick. So I personally have a long fucking night ahead of me, so we're just gonna hop right into this review. I am on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website, and this mini nudes bundle volume 2 retails for 52 bucks. Truthfully, I did used to think that that was kind of a shit ton of money for these lipsticks, but now that I've used a lot of Jeffree Star Cosmetics lipsticks, I do think that it's actually a damn good price. Like, not every lipstick from this company has been fuckable, but for the most part, I do really like them. The website says our mini velour liquid lipstick bundle comes with 6 of our top selling nudes, plus Tasty and Top Shelf, which are brand new additions to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics brand and exclusive to this bundle. Here we have Tasty and here we have Top Shelf. On camera they kind of look the same, but in person they're not. This one is definitely more red and this one is very cool tone. Love them. Here is what the entire bundle looks like. They're very, very pretty, but I'm sure we could do without like half of these. I mean, maybe they dried down different colors, but just looking at them, these two look very similar, these two look very similar, and these two look really close. I mean, they're all really close in shade, but I'm sure they probably look way different on the skin. Jeffree does not have a star rating system on his website, so I really can't look at reviews. Let me go ahead and see if there's any on other websites. Let's see, on Google, Morphe showed up that it has 5 stars, yet when I click on it, there's no stars. So fucking confused. Am I missing them? Okay, there we go. They say every single shade in this nude bundle looks amazing on them. It's very hard for them to find new shades that go well with extremely pale skin, but these do not make them look washed out at all. They're long lasting. They're definitely gonna purchase these again. The formula is perfect. This person's wearing them on their wedding day. The lowest rating on here is 4 stars, and even they don't have anything negative to say about this. So that makes me even more excited. I don't know if their reviews are just sucking his dick, but I do not suck dick on this channel, so if these are terrible, I will be the first to let you know. I did go ahead and do a scrub earlier today. Let me wipe off whatever the fuck is on my lips. And there's just a little bit of lube left from earlier. And let's go ahead and start trying these little bitches on. Oh my god, I feel like we're moving so fast today. I swear I'm not trying to rush. I mean, I do have to leave in a few hours, but I really have no content to drag this video out with. So let's begin with I'm Nude. Oh my god, I'm pretty sure there's still like eyelash glue and mascara on my eye from yesterday's review. Ew. You know what? There are much bigger issues in the world. We can ignore this. So here we go with I'm Nude. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Oh, and it has no fragrance, which I very much appreciate. All right, here we go. And I promise I'm not going to talk while I apply this because every time I do, I just fuck it up. And that is nice. Shit, I'm talking. Okay. Alright, we did it. This still isn't dried down completely, but holy shit, this has some serious pigmentation to it. Like, normally these colors that look like a concealer on me are super patchy, they don't have pigment to them, but this shit is really damn good. I did have to layer the bitch up a little bit, but that's totally my own fault. Really, the only way I can get my lipstick to look good is if I put it on my bottom lip and then rub my lips together and then fill the rest in. But if you're actually good at liquid lipstick, you'd probably only need 1 coat, but even so, with 2 coats, this is really fucking comfortable. Like, as it was drying down, I could kind of tell that there was something on my lips, very reminiscent of something that I won't even say, but now that it's completely dry, it doesn't really feel like there's anything on them. Let me take a sip of my tea and see if it transfers. There's like a teeny tiny bit on the straw, but it's very minimal. Yes, we are dry. I love this. What do you think? Oh wow, that really makes my lips look totally dry and cracked, but honestly, that's just how my lips look. I don't know if maybe putting a gloss over this would help at all, and I don't really know if this is a color that I could rock or if it makes me look washed out. I don't know. What do you think? Formula-wise though, it seems pretty fucking good. So let's go ahead and take it off. I'm not using any oil. I'm just using one of these makeup removing cloths, which does have makeup remover on it. I thought you were just supposed to get this wet with water, and it ended up burning my entire fucking face. Holy shit. But when you put makeup remover on it, honestly, I would rather keep this than certain family members. And then I'm just gonna use the dry part to get all the makeup remover off. There we go. They are perfectly dry. Let's move on to, what is this? Fuck me, I need my glasses. Birthday suit. Oh, I like that. Oh, this color is so fucking pretty. It's like a pinky salmon. Fuck me up, bitch. Oh, but get off my teeth. There we go. All right, I'm pretty sure this is dried down. It was the tiniest bit patchy, but then once I rubbed my lips together, the patchiness totally disappeared. This color is giving me like spring summer vibes. What do you think? Once again though, it is really accentuating every wrinkle and line in my lip. I know it is a matte formula and matte formulas do that, but if you have dry lips like mine, people will notice that you have some cracky ass lips. Otherwise, I think this looks great. Like to me, it doesn't look patchy. I have no idea if it's registering as patchy on camera. A lot of times with these lipstick reviews, you guys see something totally different than what I'm seeing, and that is something to take note of, because if you're wearing this for a big event like your wedding or something, this is how it's gonna show up on camera. But so far, no complaints. Let's go ahead and take this shit off. And the next shade is actually a deeper shade, which is top shelf, but I think I'm gonna keep with the lights and then go to the darks just in case there's any staining. Knowing me, with the first deep shade that I apply, it'll somehow end up all over my face, and I'll look like even more of a train wreck than normal, so let's go in with Nathan. Fun fact, Nate is from the city that I live in right now. In fact, Jeffree and Nate have a house literally down the road from me. Anyway, here we go. Oh, I really like that shade too, shit. Okay, this bitch is almost dry. It does still feel a little bit tacky and kind of uncomfortable on my lips, so I'm just gonna give it another minute. With this one, I did have to apply like 2 or 3 layers because it was the slightest bit patchy, but that is totally my fault for rubbing my lips together, but that's just how I do. And now that it is dry, it is very comfortable, super lightweight. It really doesn't feel like there's anything on there, and I gotta say, I love the tits out of this color. It's almost like a crossbreed between a caramel color and a salmon color. But here we have this one. What do we think? I really do like this shade, but I think my favorite is still Birthday Suit. Just for shits, I am gonna put a little bit of this right on the center. It's pretty, but I don't think the color difference is really big enough to be able to tell it's there. That sounds like my ex's dick. Moving on to the last of our light shades, we have a Christmas cookie. Even though I do hate fragrances in lipstick, I would love if this smelled like a Christmas cookie. Nothing. That is okay, but honestly, this one kind of looks a lot like, what is it, androgyny? Hold on just a second. Yeah, where the fuck are you? Oh, nope, never mind. They could definitely be siblings though, like androgyny is like the more tan sister, who the parents refuse to talk about because both of them are very pale, yet her skin tone is deeper and oddly enough has the nose of the mother's boss. Anyways, this is nothing like androgyny. But here we go with Christmas cookie. Oh, that's pretty. This is definitely like a Your Lips But Better kind of lipstick for me. Like, it doesn't really look like I have anything on, they just look a little bit healthier. But here we have it. I didn't go over it with multiple layers because I can't tell if it's splotchy or not. I do really like this color though. What do you think? The formula seems to be pretty consistent with the other ones. It's super lightweight on the lips. It doesn't really feel like I'm wearing anything. It's like the Trojan of lipsticks. But let's go ahead and take this off and start with the deeper shades, which the lightest of the deeper shades is Family Jewels. Hashtag testicles. And oh, I like that. Actually, that looks a little bit watery and splotchy. Maybe I should have shaken this. Okay, let's try this again. No, maybe that's just how this is. Okay, so for some reason, this shade did take a little bit of extra work. Normally with this brand's darker lipstick, it's like one swipe and full coverage, but with this one, it was kind of watery, almost like it had separated, which it totally may have, but even after I shook it, it was still like that. But in the end, after a couple layers, this actually looks fabulous. I don't know if it's because it's a deeper color, but my lips don't look quite as dry and cracky. And like a lot of lipsticks, this does get a little bit deeper once it dries down, but I do not mind that at all. I love the shit out of this shade. Just for fun, I'm gonna take a little bit of Birthday Suit and place it right in the center of the lips. I just wanna see how these play with each other. Those do play very, very nicely. This time I think the contrast was too much, but they blend out together effortlessly. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these last 3. This is top shelf. This does have kind of like a yellowish undertone to it, so I'm not sure how that'll look on me, but let's give it a try. Okay, well that is a color. Oh, this kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Brown. For some reason, when I look at my monitor, it just looks like baby shit green. But then once you guys see it, it actually looks brown. But oh, I can't say that I love this one. But really, at the same time, I can't say that I hate it. Oh god, I don't know. Do I like it or don't I? What do you guys think? Like, the more that I look at it, the more I think I like it? I don't know. Yeah, that's attractive. Okay, I don't think it's a bad color. I just don't think it's a great color for me. Anyway, let's move on. Let's go on to the cooler toned Tasty. I think this is cooler. Okay, I'm pretty sure this brown is actually green. Like, can you see that it looks green? Or are my eyes just fucking with me? Ooh, somebody wrote me. Actually, now that it's starting to dry down, it's getting a little bit more brown. I think I really like it, but it's just tripping me out, man. I can't tell. What do you guys think? Do we like it? Do we dislike it? I really can't decide. The formula is great. Like, it's not patchy or anything at all. It's very comfortable. Like, they've all been so far. It's just the color. It's just very unique, which I gotta say, I fucking love unique shades, but I don't know about this one. Maybe we'll have to use this as like an eyeshadow or something. But let's move on to our final one, which is Dominatrix. And I already have this shade and know I fucking love it, but we'll try it on anyway. Yes. Here we have this shade. Please ignore how poorly I put this on, but my lips are fucking burning. Like I said before, I do already own the shade, and I'm here to tell you that it is fucking amazing. If you love deep dark shades like I do, this is a total must in your collection, especially with like a red lip gloss over this. Oh, in fact, let's put a little bit of Pat McGrath over this just to show you. Yes. Do we see this? Oh my god. This to me is like such a perfect lip combination. This is Pat McGrath's Blood 2. Oh, daddy likes. And I do want to do a look today, and I really want to wear this combination for the wear time test, but I feel like that's not really fair because I'm combining products and it's not really going to be accurate. Whatever, we'll worry about this later. Let's go ahead and hop into a look. For foundation, I'm using pretty much all that I use anymore, which is Dior's Backstage in the shade 2.5N, except this time I'm going to apply it with my hands. I just watched Tati review this and she applied it with her hands, so I'm like, why the fuck not? God, this is so weird. Does not feel natural or normal. I don't know that I like this. I feel like I'm missing half of my face. I don't know if I like that. Let's go in with another little layer, I guess. Okay, I love Tati, but fuck this. For concealer, I feel like it's been a long ass time since I've used anything Kylie related, so let's go in with Kylie's Bone. For the eyes, I kind of want to do like a darker smoky eye, so let's start with some Dominatrix. And I'm gonna place just a few drops right here on the lid and kind of blend that out. I have no idea what the hell is gonna happen. Oh shit. That's blending out so fucking easily. Oh my god. Damn, this keeps getting bigger and bigger. What the hell? Okay, so I'm totally gonna have to clean that outer corner up a bit, but holy fuck, that blended out super easily. Let's go ahead and attempt the same thing with the other eye. And then just to bring a little bit more oomph to this look, I'm gonna dip a fluffy brush into Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette into Prick. And I'm just gonna take that all along the crease line back and forth. And also a little bit of fresh meat. This eye is definitely not as dark and rich as the other one. Fuck. I'm gonna take a little bit of that Kylie concealer and kind of clean up the edges a little bit. And then I'm also gonna go in and cut my crease. And for this, I was gonna use a liquid lipstick, but I've done that before and it didn't really work that great. So I'm just gonna stick to concealer. Then where I cut the crease, I'm gonna take some Cover FX Shimmering Veil in the shade Ember and just slather that shit everywhere, baby. And a little gold glitter liner on the crease. This is by Deck of Scarlet. For the lower lash, we'll take a little bit of Prick and just smoke that shit out. I'm gonna line the lower waterline with the Unicorn Blood Lip Liner with some black right in between the lashes. We'll go ahead and give this bitch a cat eye. Holy shit, this blush was way more pigmented than I thought it was. I dipped into this Juvia's Place blush palette into Neo. I mean, it looks deep there, but I hardly even touched it. Well, we are just gonna ignore the fact that I look like a fucking drag queen now. And then to highlight the inner eye, I'm taking some Jeffree Star Snow Globe. And the eyes are done. What do we want to do for lipstick? Oh, honestly, I really want to do that Pat McGrath and Dominatrix combo, but that would kind of defeat the purpose of a wear time test. So let's go with Tasty. Oh, that is not a good combination. Maybe Top Shelf will be better? Oh, I don't like that either. What about Birthday Suit? Oh shit, what the fuck is that? Oh no. Just tap that out and it'll be a little chin contour. And here we are with the final look. I actually really like this lip and eye combo. Although before I say goodbye, I might have to do that Dominatrix and Pat McGrath combo. But I gotta say, like usual, these lipsticks worked amazingly on the eye. They blended out so easily. On the lips, this feels very comfortable even after applying, what, 8 or 9 of these? 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 of these. But I do have a few hours before I have to head out. I'm gonna go ahead and do a wear time test. I will see you in just a second. And we are back. We did just hit the 3-hour mark. Forgive me, but I gave in and had to change out the lips. But I wore the other lipstick. I had a few snacks. I drank some tea and it looked pretty much the exact same. It performed pretty much like how every other lipstick from this brand performs on me, which means it's blowjob proof. You could paint a fucking house with it. You could use it pretty much anywhere on the body and rock the hell out of it. I know that only 2 shades out of this whole collection are new, but if you ask me, they all perform the exact same. The light shades are so fucking pigmented. They do make my lips look really cracky, but I have cracky lips, so that kind of makes sense. The deeper shades, even when I didn't rub my lips together, they were the slightest bit patchy, but you could easily layer them and it didn't make them uncomfortable or thick feeling. Honestly, I really don't have any complaints. Like, these are good lipsticks. Do I think you need this whole bundle? Truthfully, because I personally won't wear like 3 or 4 of these shades, I don't know that you necessarily do need the whole thing. I know you are getting a good deal because you're getting quite a few shades for not a whole lot of money, but I would almost rather have full sized of the few shades that I would wear in here, because even though I love the fuck out of dark browns, a lot of them I felt didn't look that good on me, so I'm not gonna wear them. But if all the shades in here really spoke to you, then totally grab it. Like, it is very, very good quality. You will not be disappointed. I just think that personally, I wasn't as in love with the deeper shades as I thought I would be, but that's totally personal preference. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplicks.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepoplicks.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.